In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and start a new sprint in Jira. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. Jira is a powerful tool used for project management, especially in agile software development. Creating and managing sprints is a key part of using Jira effectively, and I assure you, once you get the hang of it, it's quite straightforward. First things first, you'll need to log into your Jira account. If you haven't done this before, just navigate to the Jira login page, enter your credentials, and hit that login button. This step might seem trivial, but it's always good to start on the right foot. Next up, after you're logged in, locate your board. This is where you'll manage your projects and sprints. You can usually find the board option in the sidebar or under the projects menu. Clicking on it will take you directly to the board where you manage your tasks. Now that you're on your board, we're heading to the backlog section. The backlog is a crucial element because it houses all the tasks you plan to tackle in your upcoming sprint. Depending on your setup, you might see an option to type a new backlog item. This is important as it enables you to organize and prioritize tasks before you kick off your sprint. With your backlog ready, let's move on to creating the actual sprint. Look for the Create button, typically found at the top of the backlog section. Clicking this will open a dialog where you can set up your new sprint. Once you've clicked Create, the next step is to start your sprint. Find the Start Sprint button within your board. This is a crucial step because it marks the official beginning of your sprint cycle. Basically, it's like saying, "Okay team, let's get to work." After you initiate the sprint, it's time to name it. Giving your sprint a name helps everyone on the team understand its focus. So in the dialog that appears post-Start Sprint, you'll see a field to give your sprint a unique name. Be specific and descriptive. A good name can set the tone for the work ahead. Now that you have your sprint named, it's essential to set the duration and dates. You want to be clear about how long the sprint will run, typically ranging from 1 to 4 weeks. Look for options concerning dates and set them accurately. This step is crucial for effective time management, ensuring your team stays on track. Next up is defining the sprint goal. Why is this sprint important? What do you want to achieve by the end of the sprint? Click on the Sprint Goals section and articulate this goal very clearly. This not only helps guide the team, but also offers a way to assess success at the conclusion of the sprint. After entering your sprint goal, we need to finalize and kick off our sprint. You should see a Start button within the Sprint dialog box. Clicking this will officially launch your sprint, and voila, you're off and running. Now, if all goes well, you'll see your brand new sprint appear on your board. Take a moment to admire all your hard work coming to fruition. The sprint will have all your tasks organized, and you can begin tracking your team's progress right from there. And that's it. You've successfully created and started a new sprint in Jira. It may seem like a lot of steps, but with practice, you will be zipping through this process in no time. Remember, the key to making the most out of Jira is consistency and clear communication with your team. If you found this guide helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy sprinting!